XRP at $15 by December 2025. That's the bold prediction from well-known XRP community figure Alex Cobb. He made this claim not in a formal forecast, but as a direct response to a critic who publicly expressed his dislike for XRP. Cobb's message was simple. If you hate XRP now, you'll hate it even more when it hits double digits. So what led to this debate? What's the context behind this price target? And how realistic is a $15 XRP before the end of next year? Let's take a closer look. This conversation started after XRPL co-founder Arthur Brito made a rare appearance on X, formerly Twitter. After 13 years of silence, Brito posted a single emoji. That simple act sparked a wave of speculation within the XRP community. Alex Cobb joined the conversation by sharing an animated king image with a caption, "The lore with XRP is crazy." One critic was not amused. He replied with strong words, calling the image bullshit and stating, "This isn't how you build a new foundation. It is a GD joke." Cobb, rather than engaging in a debate, offered a confident reply. XRP at $15 by December 2025. In his view, critics will only become more frustrated, not because of XRP's marketing, but because they missed the opportunity. Let's break this down. A $15 price target represents a 581% increase from XRP's current level of about $2.20. If that happens, it would shatter XRP's previous all-time high of $3.84 from January 2018 by nearly 291%. What would this mean for investors? If someone holds just 1,000 XRP right now, their portfolio would grow from $2,200 to $15,000 at Cobb's target. For early holders and believers in the XRP ecosystem, this would be a massive validation, not just in terms of profit, but also in terms of narrative. But is this projection just a community dream, or are others seeing similar possibilities? Interestingly, Cobb is not alone in his optimism. Crypto researcher Rob Cunningham also pointed to $15 as a potential short-term target. His analysis is based on growing supply pressure linked to Hidden Road, a trading firm reportedly increasing its use of the XRPL for settlement infrastructure. Chartist Ali Martinez gave a technical perspective. He highlighted that XRP recently broke out of a long-term symmetrical triangle, a pattern that often precedes large price movements. His conclusion? A strong chance of XRP reaching the $15 level. And earlier this year, community analyst Zach Rector shared a different angle. He argued that if spot XRP ETFs gain approval and attract strong inflows, similar to what we've seen with Bitcoin ETFs, then a surge to $15 would not be out of reach. All these forecasts are speculative, yes, but they come from different angles: technical analysis, on-chain behavior, and macro market trends. Now, let's take a step back and ask the big question. How likely is this scenario? Reaching $15 would require not just a strong XRP-specific catalyst, but broader market conditions aligning. Regulatory clarity, continued institutional adoption, and global use of Ripple's payment technology all play a role. It's worth remembering that XRP has faced legal battles, skepticism from other parts of the crypto community, and years of underperformance. The lawsuit with the SEC, which began in 2020, only recently started to see partial resolution. Still, despite the hurdles, XRP has stayed relevant, and a strong community presence, led by figures like Cobb, has kept it in the spotlight. Whether one agrees with their predictions or not, they have succeeded in keeping the conversation alive. Alex Cobb's statement wasn't just a forecast. It was a challenge to critics, and a reminder that strong opinions can backfire when the market moves. His $15 price target for XRP by December 2025 may sound aggressive, but he's not the only one thinking along those lines. Analysts like Rob Cunningham, Ali Martinez, and Zach Rector all support the idea that XRP could be gearing up for a major move. As with any prediction, the future is uncertain. But one thing is clear. If XRP does hit $15, the critics will have a lot more than memes to complain about. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, question everything, and watch that chart closely.